good morning guys, namaste and welcome back to another vlog. So today's plan is that first we are going to Belur Math and later we are going to ISKCON temple, which is outskirts of the city, which is 16 kilometers away. These two places are very famous guys. They got really a very beautiful architecture, which I am very interested to see and show you guys. And later in the evening we are going to our next destination, which is called as Mayapur. There the ISKCON organization has started there. The whole ISKCON revolution has started there. And the place is like heaven guys. I really wanted to show you guys that place also. So as of now, first we'll go to Belur Math, which is 16 kilometers away from the place where I stay. It is going to take us like 50 minutes or so because there is traffic. So I'll catch you there. We have finally reached our first destination. We are in front of Belur Math, as you can see it behind me. Guys, we are in a hurry because it's going to close at 12 o'clock. We got very badly stuck in the traffic. So there are few interesting facts which I'll let you know when I am out of the temple again. I think we can shoot from the outside anytime, but to go inside the temple closes at 12. So let me go inside and see. So guys, we missed the opportunity to go inside. It's 11:50. We still got 10 minutes, but they are saying it's closed because they'll close it at 11:45. It will be opened at 3:30 though, but we need to go to the other places. I'm still figuring out the things. Anyhow guys, I'll update you about the facts about this place. So this place is the main headquarters of Ramakrishna Maharshi Mission and Math. So this temple was built by Swami Vivekananda, the great disciple of Ramakrishna Maharshi. So it was built in 1800s beside the Hooghly River, and it fuses all the architecture from all the religions like Buddhism, Jainism and all the religions from the world. The message and the purpose of this temple is that it's trying to say that we all come from the same energy and we need to make peace with each other. We should not fight with each other and dissolve in the creation's beauty. This is what I understood by seeing the information and seeing this building. And if you're also interested in monkism or saintism, they'll teach you here. They'll train you if you are interested. They will teach some tips so that you can carry your monkism. So overall guys, I did not go inside the place, but from the out it feels very pleasant and the finishing of this is very good. I have never seen a building in this color. So see, as you can see, the security guard is already firing on us, so we need to move away from this place. So guys, this temple architecture is very inspirational. When Swami Vivekananda was traveling all around the India for the search of himself, so visiting all those places, he got inspired. So reflecting those art, he tried to build this place. So in this place you can find most of the architecture all around the world. So these are some facts guys. So now after going outside, we'll figure out the next plan and I'll update you guys. I really miss this place guys. I thought we will make it, but we were in time, but they were saying that it was closing at 11:45, but that's okay guys. Things happen. Maybe I'll come next time. I don't know. We'll figure out things. We have finally figured the new plan. So we are going to Dakshineswar Temple. So this temple is also very famous. It is the second famous temple in Kolkata. When you come to Kolkata, everybody will recommend it. I think we are not going to come back here, but definitely I'll come in the future. After that we'll go to the ISKCON temple, which I was saying in the morning. So let's go to the Dakshineswar temple and see. I hope they'll allow the camera at least there guys. Please stop. not allowing the camera inside. We have finally reached our second destination. Behind me you can see Dakshineswar. So here also the cameras are not allowed, but that's okay. I'm going to shoot with the 7200 from the outside. I'll show you the dome area, and there is a famous river over there which is flowing beside the temple. This is called as Ganges. Locally it's called as Hooghly River. So there I will shoot some B-rolls. Just I have been there, so I have been seeing that the culture over there is very beautiful. I think I'm visualizing some B-rolls over there. So maybe I'll go and shoot the B-rolls here. So guys, we are done with the Dakshineswar Temple. I hope you have enjoyed the drone shots. Guys, I tried my level best to capture and entertain today's vlog, but it got messed up today because the traffic in Kolkata is very busy that it's very hard for us to plan, and the whole plan got messed up. And even we also did a mistake that in the morning we could not get up at 6 o'clock because in the night it had already been 2. So maybe if we would have got up at 6 o'clock instead of 9, we could have made this journey. But anyhow guys, next time I'm going to cover but anyhow guys, next time when I'm in Kolkata, I'll make sure that I'll visit these places. So guys, we are all not going to the Swami Narayana BSAP Swami Narayana temple also because the traffic is very busy here, that it's almost all taking like 6 o'clock by the time we reach there. Only just for 24 kilometers of traveling, it's taking us 2 hours. I think we cannot make it because the sunlight is going to fade away, and there is no point that we go there and do the vlog. So the plan now is that we are going back to hostel. We'll take our luggage and then we'll go to Mayapur. So while editing, if this vlog doesn't make that sense, or if it's not that entertaining, I'll club tomorrow's vlog into this. So overall guys, I tried my level best, and this was not a productive day, but it happens sometimes. This is how life is. Every time it doesn't happen how you plan. And coming to temples, there are so many restrictions guys. I almost every time try to take this camera, but I really don't want to break the temple rules because I don't want to insult any culture. So I'm trying my level best. Anyhow guys, so I'll shoot some of my journey going to Mayapur. If there is anything beautiful in between, I'll capture that. Otherwise, I'll meet you tomorrow. So I'll meet you tomorrow guys. If tomorrow's vlog is not clubbed in this, so this is it for tomorrow. So this is it for today. So take care, bye bye, keep moving.